Hey there, amazing viewers. Welcome back to Print on Demand with Kawa, your go-to destination for all the things related to earning online passive income and unlocking your creative potential. And in today's video, I'm going to tell you about 5 places where you can sell your digital product or arts. Now, without wasting any more time, let's get started. For every graphic designer or artist, the biggest question has always been, where should I sell my design? Whether you're a talented artist, a graphic designer, or a creative mind with a passion for crafting stunning digital products, this video is your golden ticket to monetizing your skills and sharing your art with the world. Number 1 on our list is Zazzle, the ultimate marketplace for digital creators. Zazzle is a great website for selling digital products as they recently introduced instant download feature. Here you can upload your designs for invitation cards and other types of cards. When a customer buys your product, they can download your design on their device and you will get 95% of the price. Like this one is a date invitation card. This is an instant download and they are selling it for almost $10, which means you will get $9 for one sale. If you want to learn how to make digital products for Zazzle, you can check my channel. I have uploaded a step-by-step guide on Zazzle. I'll give the link in the description. Now for the second website, we have Creative Fabrica. Here, in Creative Fabrica, you can sell almost anything, whether it's a doodle, font, patterns, texture, and the list goes on. However, to upload designs on this website, you will need to get accepted by them. And to get accepted, you will need a portfolio of your designs that you made. The better your portfolio is, the higher the chances of you getting accepted. As there are so many artists already doing great work here, it is almost similar to Zazzle, but the difference is that Creative Fabrica only sell digital products and his main aim is to provide assets so that creators can use them in their own design. So if you can create these assets like fonts, texture patterns, seamless patterns, stickers or anything, you can sell them here. As for the portfolio, you can use Dribbble to create your portfolio. I'll give the link in the description. And once accepted, you can start selling your products for any price you like, but keep it competitive. Like here, somebody is selling this Mexican theme save the date card for $8. So that sums up Creative Fabrica for us. Now let's check out our next website. Our third website is Etsy. Etsy is an online marketplace that specializes in connecting buyers with unique and handmade products crafted by independent artisans, designers, and vintage collectors. It's a hub for creative entrepreneurs to showcase their creativity and reach a worldwide audience. Etsy also allows you to sell all kinds of digital products like printable art, digital designs, patterns and templates, planner and journals, fonts and typography, and many other types of digital products. However, unlike the other two websites, Etsy is not free to use. Etsy charges 20 cents for each product you list for 3 months. This is the fee structure of Etsy for a $24 item. That concludes our third website. Now it's time for the fourth one. Our fourth website is Creative Market. Creative Market is similar to Creative Fabrica where you can sell assets that other graphic designers can use and you will get paid if somebody buys your product. Here, as you can see, you can sell almost everything, even apps and UI kits themes. You can also sell complete products so that customers can use them as they are. These are some examples of card templates in Creative Market. And don't forget to like, subscribe and press that bell icon because in the next video, I'll be showing how to create one product that will sell on all of these platforms. Now to our last website. That is one of my favorites, as you won't need to depend on the algorithm of the host website, so let's check it out. Our fifth website is Gumroad. Gumroad is a versatile platform that empowers creators of all kinds to sell their work directly to their audience. It's a virtual marketplace where artists, writers, musicians, and makers can showcase their digital products and connect with fans who appreciate their craft. Basically, Gumroad is a platform where you upload your product, which could be anything, and you share your product through social or promote it through social media, and people or your followers who like your work can buy your products from Gumroad. It gives an opportunity to open your own shop for free. However, you need to generate traffic yourself. You can promote your products on Pinterest or Instagram. That's it for this video, guys. Which website would you try first? Let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, stay awesome and stay creative.